1.1 task 4 says that the morning temperature in a large city in Minnesota was recorded each day for 7 days. The temperatures are right here. And the very first thing it wants us to do is graph these on our number lines, remember? So temperatures, we're going hotter up, colder is going down. So first we have -2. So we're always start at 0, and we're going down into the -2. And I'm going to record what that is just so I don't have to think so hard when I look at that dot. What is that? Okay, now we have 4. So +4 starting at 0, going up 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you're writing and recording these as well. Our next temperature is right on 0. Sounds like a very cold place to be. And it already has it listed out. Okay, next we have 2 in the positive direction. So starting at 0, going up 1, 2 units. Now we have -4, starting at 0, going down 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. Now we need to do -7, going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7. And we need to do -10. So starting at 0, going down, 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 it actually has it marked for us, -10. So here are the 7 days that we recorded the temperatures. So we have graphed them on the number line. A is done. Now it says which pairs of temperatures are opposites. So we're looking for the ones that are on opposite sides of 0 in the same distance. So remember, 0 doesn't have an opposite. So let's go. Do we have a 2 and a opposite is -2. So -2 and 2 are opposites. They're both 2 away from 0 in opposite directions. I can see we have a 4 and a -4. So -4 and 4 are opposites. And even though 5 is listed, but we don't actually have a 5. We have -7 here, but no +7. And we have -10, but no +10. So here's the opposites. Now take a second and pause and think about, how do you know that those are opposites? Write about that for a second. So I know that those are opposites because they are the same distance from 0. So hopefully you said something about that right there. The same distance, but opposite sides. So opposite sides. So make sure you have something similar. Doesn't have to be exactly like mine. That's my idea. But you should have some of those same words, right? Same distance, opposite sides. So what temperature would be the opposite of -7? So how many places did it take to get from 0 to -7? We do that on the other side, would be +7. So I had to go, instead of going down 7, we had to go up 7 to get to the opposite of -7. D says, what would a point at 10 represent? So if we had 10 up here, right, that would mean it would be a +10. And what is the opposite of that is -10. So we don't have a 10, but that's what would it mean. It would mean 10 degrees above 0, which is positive. Above is positive. And our last one is E. What does it mean for a temperature to be the opposite of another temperature? They're on opposite sides of 0. Same number, but one is positive and one is negative. So make sure you fill out something about what does it mean for numbers to be opposite? So when you have all of that done, you've completed both of your tasks.